Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet bunny. I will use the soft yarn from Himalaya. For this part of tutorial you will need just one ball of yarn. Next what you'll need is black cotton yarn, sewing yarn needle, pair of scissors, hollow fiber, stitch marker, 5mm crochet hook and who wants nose button. I will use pink cotton yarn and sew it. And I will use also eyes buttons. Okay, this is first part of tutorial where I'm going to show you how to crochet just head of bunny. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a magic circle. Beginners and who doesn't know how to make magic circle, just click on the link above the video or below the video. Chain 1 and then make 7 single crochets into the magic ring. Pull the starting tail and tighten the magic ring. Join the round with a slip stitch. Now mark the start because we will work in a round. And now we are going to increase every stitch. So insert the hook into the stitch in this round. Make 2 single crochets into each stitch all the way around. At the end of this row, you should have 16 stitches. So this is last increasing. Okay, in the next row, second row, we will increase every second stitch. But we will insert the hook just into the front loop. This is front loop. But you can use stitches if it's easier for you. I mean both loops. It will look little different then. So increase first loop, and in next stitch make just 1 single crochet, then make 2 single crochets into the same space. In the next loop or stitch make just 1 single crochet, in next loop 2 single crochets, and continue working like this all the way around. In third round, we will increase every third stitch or third front loop. So make 2 single crochets, and then in 2 next loops make just 1 single crochet, and then increase again. So make 2 single crochets into the same space. Continue working like this all the way around. In this row we will increase every fourth stitch or loop. So make 2 single crochets, and then in next 3 stitches or loops make just 1 single crochet. Then in fourth stitch or loop make again 2 single crochets into the same space. Continue working like this to the end of this row. In the fifth round we will increase every fifth stitch. So make 2 single crochets, and in the next 4 stitches or 4 loops make just 1 single crochet. In fifth loop make 2 single crochets. Then in the next 4 stitches or loops make again just 1 single crochet. So we are increasing every fifth loop or every fifth stitch in this round. Okay, this is last round where we will increase, so make 2 single crochets into the same space, and then make 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. I say stitches, but I mean front loops in my case. If you want to make smaller head, just don't increase this row. Then you can click on the link above or below the video where is teddy bear tutorial which has smaller head. Okay, now from this row we will not increase, so make just one single crochet into the each front loop all the way around and make 6 rows together. Okay, it's getting right shape, and from this row we need to decrease. So in this row we will decrease every 6th front loop and we will make single crochets together. So insert the hook into the front loop, grab the yarn, insert the hook into the next front loop, grab the yarn again. You have 3 loops on your hook, grab the yarn and pull through all loops. Then make 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches or 5 front loop. In 6th stitch, make single crochets together again. Continue working, decreasing like this all the way around. You can pause the video and meet me back again on the start of next row. In this row we will decrease every 5th stitch or 5th front loop. So make single crochets together and then make 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches or front loops. Now make 2 single crochets together again and continue working like this all the way around. In this row we will decrease every 4th stitch or every 4th front loop. So 2 single crochets together and then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches or 3 front loops. Then decrease again, so 2 single crochets together and continue working like this all the way around. In this part, I'm going to sew this starting tail inside the head, and I will use just sewing yarn needle. And also we need to fill it in by hollow fiber. Who wants to use eyes buttons and nose buttons, just place it right now if you want. and we are going to continue decreasing. So single crochets 2 together, and then make 1 single crochet in the next 2 front loops. In third stitches or loops, make 2 single crochets together again. So we will decrease every third stitch. In this row we will increase every second stitch. So make single crochets 2 together. In the next stitch 1 single crochet, and then decrease again. So make single crochets 2 together. Okay, use always hollow fiber as much as you need and make right shape. It should be ball. If you will have enough hollow fiber inside the head, just crochet single crochets 2 together every stitch to the end and close the hole. At the end of this project, just make a slip stitch. Okay, that's all, and somewhere here you will have ice buttons, or you can sew it if you want, and you can place it wherever you want. And here should be mouth or smile and a nose. It's up to you what face you will make it. I want to show you just small trick when you will use yarn needle and the same type and color of yarn. Insert the needle somewhere here where you want to have your eyes, and like this you can make better shape of face. I want to have just little hole for eyes. You can use this trick for more things like mouth or belly button. And if you want to have bigger hole, just tighten it more. And that's all from me for today. If you will have any question, just write me here below the video. Please put a thumb up if you like my video, and see you next time. Have a lovely day and thank you for watching.